So this is super simple. All you do is take out the scooter and remove the packing material, connect a cable, and then bolt on the stem. The whole process takes like 10 minutes, so it's really fast. And the package also comes with some tools, an owner's manual, and the charger, so you have everything you need. And on that note, you can plug the charger into the side of the scooter right here, so it's pretty accessible, which I like. And it takes about 5.5 hours to charge the scooter from dead to full. So first we have to talk about the overall look and feel. I personally think the scooter looks awesome and really sleek in this matte black color. I love the bigger foot pad, so you have a good amount of room to stand. And the stem is actually pretty tall and comfortable as well. And actually the grips are really comfortable too. I do like the feel of these compared to other scooters I've tested. But more importantly, for the tech stuff, this scooter comes with a 48 volt 7.8 amp hour battery paired to a 500 watt motor in the rear that has a peak of 819 watts. And these are some really good numbers at this price point. This combination allows the scooter to reach a top speed of 20 miles per hour, and it does have a good amount of torque to accelerate quickly. The maximum claimed range is 25 miles, though realistically it's closer to 20 miles, which is still great for daily riding and having some fun. I also love the screen on the scooter since it's bigger than some other screens I've used, and it's also more intuitive and simple. It makes some more pleasant beeping noises than I'm used to when you turn it on. And then you got your current speed, trip info, battery life right here in the center, and you can press the plus and minus buttons on the left controller to change between the 3 speed modes. You also have a light button on the right side to turn on the front and rear lights. And this brings me to my least favorite part of the scooter, which are the lights. Now don't get me wrong, I do like the look of this front headlight that sits pretty flush into the handlebar, but the brightness on these lights just does not cut it for nighttime riding. They're mainly for letting cars and other people know that you're there, and less so for your own visibility, I'd say. But at this price point, I am nitpicking and still really happy with these lights, and that is literally the only part on the scooter that I don't absolutely love. But back to the screen, you have a nice rubberized throttle on the right side, so you press this to accelerate the scooter. But another one of my favorite features is the cruise control here on the left. And the way this works is while you're riding, no matter what speed you're at, you can press this button and the scooter will maintain that speed. And if you want to stop cruising, you can just engage the throttle or the brake. The brake is pretty simple, just a drum brake in the front that stops the scooter very well. But the cool thing about this is that when you press the brake, these blue lights on the side of the scooter flash for more visibility. And I just think this makes the scooter look really cool. It's like a rave or something. I can see it annoying some people who don't want to be as visible, but I personally like it. One crazy thing about the scooter is that it does have some rear suspension, and it actually does provide a little bit of comfort. I do feel less wobbly and shaky on this one compared to my other scooter that is fully rigid. It's nothing crazy good here, so I'd stick to riding on smoother roads, but still it is a little bit of comfort there. And the last feature I want to mention is that you can fold the scooter. You pull this lever down and snap the scooter in place, and you don't really have to struggle to unlatch it at all. It's really easy, unlike some other scooters I've ridden where I really kind of had to push hard to get it to fold down. Okay, but now that we've covered all of the main specs, let's take the scooter out on a nice test ride so I can give you my final thoughts. All right, riding the Caroma E66pro. Let's just kind of launch this thing. Woo! It's not like the fastest accelerating scooter out there, but it definitely does get up to speed pretty quick, and I do like that. I think it's plenty fast enough for smooth road riding and sidewalks and all that stuff, and it does feel pretty comfortable, despite being mainly fully rigid. So this thing has 3 speed modes. The lowest speed tops off at 10 miles per hour, which I'm going right now. And then the next speed up will go up to 15 and stop there. Woo! And then the highest speed, the S mode, will go to the full 20 miles per hour. It's at about 18 right now, 19 and 20. There we go. So it does feel pretty fast. For my overall review though, this scooter is fun. I can't say enough good things about it, and I love almost everything about it. And the entire time I've been riding it around and testing it, what I keep noticing is just how thoughtful the design of the scooter is. It's just so easy to use and so comfortable to be on, with the simple screen, the easy folding mechanism, the comfortable height, the nice grips, the wider foot pad. It's all just so great, and if you can't tell, I genuinely love this scooter. Honestly, this is gonna be a quick test ride because I like pretty much everything about this one and can't really say much more than that. But yeah, if you are interested in a budget electric scooter, this is definitely the one to go for, and this is my favorite scooter at the moment for sure. So with that, I hope all of you enjoyed the video.